Welcome to our channel. Draining oil. Just want to show you. We're gonna get back to doing some sciencey stuff. What is this, a 19? Yeah. 19 Santa Fe. It runs like noises. We did this before, but it only got like 34 views. So we're gonna see exactly what an engine will run on. We're gonna try dish soap again, like Ajax from the parts store. Yeah, this is us. We still gotta go get everything. This should be fun. Hi, I'm Sean. This is Brad. 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a junk car. We're gonna do a bit of an experiment. We drain the engine oil, and we're gonna use Tide, simply all-in-one, because, well, it was the cheapest we could find. So we need what? 5.1? Missed on the pour. We're gonna see how long this thing will run. How long do you think it'll run? We'll try for 15. If it makes it 15 minutes, then we'll take a poll. Actually, we'll just go with suggestions. You tell us what you think you want to see it. You want to see it run in, or try to run with. We're thinking baby oil. KY is too expensive. How about spit? You guys want to like donate some spit? Hold please. Hey, not so much. Don't overfill it.
It's 5.1. It's too much.
It's how many? What is that? How many ounces is that?
182, which is 1.5
100
gallons, so which is...
Fuck, we're a quart over. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, that's what we're going. All right. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Brad's back here setting up time lapse. I'm gonna start this car. Give you a quick rundown. It's really nice. We got a buddy that scraps. That's my fault. Probably shouldn't have done that. Came to us. It's 201,000 miles. It doesn't run for shit. Well, we kind of got it running better, but we're gonna go ahead and start it with our Tide. It skips. It misses. Apparently needs service. Stay tuned. We did this before, and it turns into a giant cloud of mace once the dish soap gets into the rings. So right now the time is, go figure, 4:20. Smoke them if you got them. This is about what we expect anyways. Blow by test. That's what dish soap or what laundry detergent looks like. Smells good. It's not happy. That's not us. It's not happy at all. We only made it 4 minutes. Wife, please get out from in front of the engine. It's got more in it. I mean, do we just send it? Come here, Brad. And stand back there. Nope, we're not done yet. Stand back there. Don't film me. Film them. Okay. 5 minutes. We'll call it 4. It runs better on dish soap. We're gonna get it back. We're gonna get it back. There's that. I think it's losing compression. That's all I got. Not very happy at all. Doesn't smell very good either. Oh, well, it's getting there. I don't know. Shit. Do you think it'll start? It smells good. Jump pack, please. All right, so cut off at 4:31. Brad is getting a jump pack. It's in lockdown. It still turns over. Brad's grabbing a jump pack. We're gonna see what we can do. Sorry about the chime. So Brad's going to he's putting some starting fluid in there. Ready? Spray it now. Brad looks sad. So it didn't lock down. Or whatever was causing the issue to begin with, which had a bunch of timing codes, but didn't jump time. So does compression. This is sad. To be continued tomorrow. I'm gonna let it sit.